So I got these new emblems for my Tesla Model 3. Not a big deal, just like these little weird Tesla badges. I'll show you what they look like installed on a car. But they come matte black, and my Tesla is black. So it's cool. I'm trying to go for a stealthier look, but I kind of want to do something a little bit different. Because like I have this blue accent inside my Tesla, so I kind of want to accent that a little bit more. So I'm gonna try to get these painted blue. So that means I gotta go visit a painter. Jimmy! 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 Oh, what is that? See my interior? Uh-huh. The blue? Uh-huh. I'm trying to find a blue to match. I know that's vinyl. I know it's not gonna be exact, but I'm just trying to see what we could do that'd be close to it.
Hell no. No way. Oh, that's too dark.
Oh.
This one.
Let's try that one. Can we do that then?
Fill the paperwork.
Wait, what are you doing with this car?
I'm wrapping the car.
You're wrapping a toy. What color are you wrapping this? Yo, this is nice. It has a good weight to it.
Moments later.
Oh, you wrapped the freaking car.
When you actually like place it in it actually looks like a car.
Dude, you wrapped it. Oh my God. So guys, you may remember Sean did a satin red Model 3 not too long ago. Well, this is actually a gift for the same client. Bro, you even freaking cut out the area for the T logo. Cut out on the door handles too.
Door handles.
Yeah. That's freaking cool.
No, that's pretty crazy. I wish you just had both cars so you could just put one in front of the other.
Well, Sean, it's your lucky day because we can. Hit it, Haywood. Alright, so this is a clip that I have of Ted holding, that's right, the toy car. I know, it's hard to tell because they both look so similar. If it wasn't for the wheels, you probably couldn't tell what was the toy car, what was the actual Model 3. But in this case, he is holding the toy car. Very good, Ted. Let's move towards the car. And yeah, so we wrapped the toy car in the exact same vinyl as the car, the actual car. So it's amazing. Client got this as a gift, as a surprise, so we were able to wrap it for him. Oh, let's look at this Porsche GT3 though. This is super cool. This is one of the very few cars where I feel like the colors inside and out actually work really well. Like everything just ties really well together. Let me show what I mean. So you got this gloss storm gray. You have these satin bronze wheels, right? Super sporty, super dark. It's a no-nonsense spoke design. Matches well with the red calipers. The gray matches with the red. All the colors on the outside, they all work together. And look at the inside. Black interior with Alcantara, red stitching. And then look at this. Look at this. It's like plaid inserts. Isn't that crazy cool? Like the red, the black, the grays. Again, it ties back in with what you see on the outside with the red, the calipers, and black, of course, just matches with everything. But then the grays match with the color of the car. Oh, and this is white. The car is actually originally white. And the red roll cage in the back. The only thing I would do, though, is wrap the door jamb areas just to kind of complete the look. Even the key itself is wrapped as well. Why are you here, Will? You only come once in a full blue moon.
Only for something special.
Will, you have issues.
Ow! Fuck! Ah! Ow! Okay, so this is the front lip spoiler for the Tesla Model 3 from Unplugged. Very simple, adds a little bit extra downforce. On the side here, you have the Unplugged logo branded into this. So the construction of this front lip is the same as the front bumper from Unplugged. It's what they call that impact resistant blend polymer. So super flexible, as you guys can see, which is nice, makes it easier to install. Unpainted just like this is about $700, but if you want to have Unplugged painted to match your factory color from Tesla, then it's $1,000 for the spoiler and the paint. So not bad if you're trying to keep things as convenient as possible for you, especially if you don't really know who to trust in your area, or you're installing this yourself, so you just want to have it arrive to your house and you just put it on, then it definitely is a very nice convenient factor. This is what the car looks like with the front lip, and that's just a stock Model 3, so that one doesn't have the lip. It definitely has a bit of a presence, especially with those body lines right here. I would say it sticks out by about 1.5 inches, so it's subtle, but it's a nice little upgrade if you just want to be a little bit more unique than everyone else. If you're interested in getting the front lip spoiler for your Tesla Model 3 or the front bumper or any of the Unplugged parts, just hit us up. Our contact info is in the description down below. Ow!
Okay, so for a chrome delete, we do this for our Westin Hotel project for the chrome delete, or should we do something like that?
I like this silver more. I don't think the brush texture is good though.
Oh, we don't have satin silver.
How about that one?
Satin white.
Oh, that one's nice. Yeah, use that one. Oh my God, don't do that ever again. Why aren't you singing with this one, Dustin?
I don't know the words to it. I'll grab some cones.
Wait, no, what are you doing? You see it in the distance?
Hold up. Let me zoom in. No.
Oh my God, look at that. It's a CVS. Next to a Prosperity Bank.
Yo, is that what I think that is? Oh guys, I have a surprise for you before we end the vlog. Today is the day we talk and show you the surprise, guys. We have a Bugatti coming in. Oh my God. Oh my God. Yes. Oh my God, this is crazy, guys. Guys, look at this. Oh man, this is crazy. It's like casual, just casually on the bed of the truck. This is definitely a first for us. This is really cool.
Like the old school font. I just touched a Bugatti. Just any Bugatti, Haywood. This isn't any Bugatti, is it?
No, bro.
This is Joker
themed. Yo, the light strip is freaking sick. It's like the Cybertruck. Oh man.
Wow, that's awesome.
Oh, that is
That
sick.
is amazing.
Look at the interior, guys. It's purple.
Wow. Oh.
That is a sick
Wait, you're gonna do
interior.
that?
I gotta smell it. Oh, fuck yeah.
Wait, what?
Look at that. Oh my God, what a view. Yo, the leather is so soft. Oh man. That thing is nuts. Dude, that purple is nice. It's so dark.
Dude, this is a Rolls Royce.
This is way better than a Rolls Royce.
Well, I know. I meant just the fitment of everything. It's solid.
Dude, because when you touch the McLaren, things feel loose.
Oh, dude. That is so cool. Like, look at that purple just peeking through from the window. Even the wheels. I thought the wheels were black. The wheels are freaking purple, too. Everything is purple or carbon fiber or yellow. That's crazy. Love the purple interior. It's like a nice lighter shade than the outside color. It's a nice accent color. All right, guys, the vlog is ending now. I'll show you on the next vlog what we're doing with this car. It's crazy. Stay tuned. It's awesome. See you guys next time.